I am coming to you live from my car, but I have a special announcement that I'm going to be doing vlogmas, but I'm doing it a little differently. So I'm gonna upload a weekly vlog every single Thursday of the past week. So you'll get 4 weekly vlogs. For me, it'll be easier and also keep me more accountable, because like some days I don't do that, like a bunch of fun stuff or anything, and I feel like if I did a vlog every day and tried to upload it, it'd just be me like scrambling for content, and I don't think it'd turn out that good. So this way I can make really nice quality week of my life videos for you guys, vlogmas style. I am currently on my way to go look at some apartments, because if you guys didn't know, I'm living with my parents right now for the holidays. My lease was up, so I was like, I'm in college, might as well just stay with my parents for Christmas and then move into my new place with my new roommates. So I'm really freaking excited about that, but we're going to look at a few more places. We kind of have it narrowed down to like 2 or 3, but we just wanted, you know, keep our options open, and just in case anything like isn't available for us when we want to move in, we have more options. I'm gonna stop talking and drive. I was in a little bit of traffic, but now it's kind of picking up. So I'm gonna stop vlogging and be safe and drive to go meet them. I'm here with Kayla and Lee. Hey guys! And we are going to go look at the first... Okay guys, so I'm here with Kayla and Lee, and we are going to look at the first apartment on our list, which we're really excited about because it has granite countertops. It's supposed to be beautiful, and they had a 3-bedroom ready for us to look at, which most of the ones we've been looking at were 2 bedrooms because they didn't have a 3-bedroom available. But this one actually does, so I'm really excited. And I got coffee too, flat white. It does. Oh wait, cute. I love this.
So this is the second bathroom.
Cute. But I like that there's mirrors.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good closet. There's good sized closets, y'all.
So this is the master.
Oh good, this would be my room.
The closet's right there, which is awesome.
I love it. Oh yeah. I need a bigger closet. This is so good.
Your own bathroom there, garden tub.
I love it. Ooh, it's big. Wow, looks good.
So to be honest, I've been here about a month, so I didn't get to see them before.
Okay.
But I know like the appliances are new, the cabinet color's new, countertops are new. And then it's got the LED lighting.
We just got done looking at the first apartment, and it was literally beautiful. Wasn't it so pretty? I'm obsessed. It's perfect for our for our price range, and it was so pretty. They had granite countertops. I know, and like really high ceilings and a fireplace, and like all the bedrooms were really big. It felt like home. It did feel like home. Oh my god, it really did feel like home. Guys. So cute, right? I'm so excited. Oh, we are going to the next apartment to look at. It's like 10 minutes from here. They're all kind of really close to each other, which is nice, but we're already late. Like, what's new? I feel like I'm late to everything. Okay, y'all, I just got done with work. I had to pop in for a few hours to help close. Looking at apartments was so fun today, but now I'm gonna drive home. I'm so ready to be home. I am so exhausted.
I still feel the same. I still feel the same. I still feel the same. Drive my love away. I still feel the same. I still feel.
I just got home. I'm literally so freaking tired, but I'm just gonna change into PJs. I need to study tonight. I have 2 finals that I have to take tomorrow. I'm pretty sure I'm taking 2. I know I'm for sure taking 1 tomorrow. So basically tonight's just gonna be a study night. I just got done with my homework for the night. I've been studying really hard for my business law test, but now I'm going to go ahead and FaceTime JT and kind of chill in bed for a little bit and just talk to him. It's like 11, 12, and then after that, I'm pretty much gonna head to bed for the night. It's been a really busy day. I've been doing lots of things. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. So I just woke up at like 10. It's like 10:43. I've been kind of like doing some work on my phone, like answering emails, all that kind of stuff. But now it's coffee time and I really need to study some more before I take my final exam for my business law class. Okay, it's been a minute. Took my test, did my planner, a bunch of other stuff I just had to get done. But now it's time to get ready. I think I'm gonna film a get ready with me really quick before I go to work because I asked some questions on Instagram, or I asked 4 questions from you guys. So I'm gonna answer those in this video, which will be up by the time you're watching this. And then I have work from 5 to 8 tonight. I'm pretty much ready to film. I'm gonna put my robe on so I look cute. But at first I'm gonna do my hair before I even start filming because it looks really crazy. This is the robe that I got to film in and like to take pictures in and stuff. It's from Amazon, so I'll link it down below for you guys. I think it was less than $20 and it's really soft and cute, and I have a size medium. Okay, I just finished my hair. It turned out really good. It's so shiny today, but yeah, it turned out really good. So now I'm gonna just quickly film this get ready with me because I need to leave in like 40 minutes. So I just finished filming this makeup look and it turned out so good. So if you guys haven't seen this video, I'll link it down below. I'm like really happy with it. I think it'd be such a pretty holiday look, but my room's a mess and my desk's a mess, but I really need to leave in like 5 minutes. So I'm gonna quickly change and get dressed to go to work. Okay, so it is about 3:30 and I am on my way to work currently. I need to stop for gas on the way. That's why I had to leave kind of early. It's hot today. It's like 83 degrees on the first day of December. Ew. Okay, I just got to work and parked. I actually need to text JT that I got here. He always wants me to text him when I get to work. Cool. Yeah, but I just got to work. It's like 4:30, so I'm here a little bit early, but I think I'm just gonna head into the store anyways and yeah, figure out what I'm gonna wear today.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, good morning. So it is Sunday and I am currently on my way to work. On Sundays I always work from 12 to 6. So yeah, I'm literally just on my way to work. All I did this morning was drink coffee and get ready. I kind of woke up late, so I had to get ready pretty quickly, but I kind of like how the look turned out. Today I work with my coworker Jen and I haven't seen her in a minute, so it'll be super fun. But yeah, I work from 12 to 6 and then after work I'll probably just come home, do some stuff. I honestly don't really know. Today's just gonna be a really chill day. It's actually a lot cooler today. It's in the 60s, so I can actually wear my jacket and not be sweating. Okay, I'm gonna drive to work and be safe and stop vlogging. Okay, I just got to work. I'm in the fitting room. I'm gonna try on some of this stuff before I go ahead and open the store because I got here kind of early. It's like 11:30. This is the first thing that I'm trying on. It's pretty cute. I don't know how much I like the ruffles, but I love the cheetah print and I love the turtleneck. So it's pretty cute. Okay, I think this is going to be the winner today for sure. This really cute lacy top and then the sweater with black ripped jeans and then my booties. So I think I'm gonna go with this outfit today. I need to clock in and get to work.
6 hours later.
I just got off work. It is 6:28, but it literally is so freaking dark outside, but I'm just waiting to turn so I can get driving home. Don't worry, I'm not like actively like driving anywhere. I'm looking at my phone or not using my hands. Never mind. Okay. I feel a little spazzy because I'm kind of really tired and I had a headache, I think, from my hair being up like this. I'm gonna listen to some jams and drive home and I'll check with you guys when I get back. So I just got home and I just put my hair up because I was sick of the hairdo. Like, it was giving me a headache. It looked cute, but I was like so over it. I am going to edit Tuesday's video for today because tomorrow morning I'm gonna study. Yeah, I'm gonna get that done. I'm just gonna pretty much work on that for a while and probably FaceTime JT because we pretty much do that like every single night, and then after that I'm probably gonna go to bed. It's not that exciting of a day. Okay, it's like a million hours later. I'm literally in a different shirt because I put on like pajamas that I didn't wear all day, and I like feel so tired. I'm like delusional. It's 11:40, but I'm gonna take off my makeup and then just honestly hop in bed. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Okay, so it is Monday morning. It's like 8:30 and I have to take my brother to school today, but it's breakfast time. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, eat my breakfast, drink my coffee. I need to go through my emails today and then I need to edit tomorrow's video. I edited the thumbnail last night and it's beautiful, but I'm gonna go ahead, edit that video. I honestly might take a nap after that because I am tired. So I just got done editing and it's about 12:30 right now. I'm just gonna kind of fix my hair up a little bit. I think I'm gonna wear it up for the picture like this, kind of just like poof it up a little and then put on just a tiny bit of makeup because I want to do something super natural, but just like a little bit of like concealer or something just for my under eyes and stuff. And I'm gonna go ahead and shoot the Instagram photo that I need to for this collab that I'm doing with this underwear company. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like fix myself and then shoot this photo. Okay, so this is the final look for my little shoot. I just have my cute little penguin sportswear on and then I have this really pretty robe. I think I'm actually gonna shoot it in here by the tree, but we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up real quick and take some cute photos. Hopefully I get a good shot. I think I did a really nice like natural makeup look. I've never done anything like this on my Instagram before, so hopefully I like them and they're not too like, I'm not very risque or anything, so hopefully they look good. I'm eating lunch. This is a Nourish bowl. If you've never had these, you should look them up. They're so lit. They're like vegan. Well, some of them are vegan. I don't know if all of them are, but they're really healthy, all vegetables, and this one is like basil pesto bowl thing. It's really, really good. So I'm just gonna eat this and watch a movie and let my phone charge because I've decided that I'm gonna go to the gym and be good later.
What I'm saying is that I want to be deeply and passionately in love. Oh, you want to be passionately in love. I see.
All right, guys, I am en route to the gym. I don't really feel like going, but honestly, that's when you like need to go the most, is when you don't feel like it. Well, I'm still kind of out of breath even though I've been stretching, and I actually rolled out my legs, so I'll be able to walk tomorrow. Bless up, because last week I did leg day on Monday and then didn't go to the gym for the rest of the week because I felt like I couldn't walk. I'm so happy that that's done. It actually went by really fast and I was there for a full hour. Okay, I'm gonna go home. Okay, I am just sitting down here at my computer and I'm going to take my math exam. So I just got done with my test and guess who made an 80? Me! And for me, that's so good in math because I suck at math. Yeah, now I'm just gonna get to editing. I need to edit a little bit and then I'm gonna self-tan and then I'll probably end up going to bed because I don't think I'm gonna have time to do my nails tonight. But I don't work till 3 tomorrow, so maybe I can do it before then. Good morning, guys. So it is Tuesday and I am about to get ready for work. I work from 3 to 8 today and then we have a meeting. That's like a Christmas meeting, but I'm really excited. So yeah, this morning I literally slept in pretty late. I like took my brother to school and then was so tired and literally just went back to bed until like 11. And then I just painted my nails. That's literally all I did today. It wasn't really that exciting. So today is probably not going to be that exciting of a day, but that's okay because this vlog is already super freaking long. But yeah, I just basically work, have the meeting. I might stop at the gym after work because I didn't go this morning because I was literally so tired. And I really think it was just like finals just got done and like I went to the gym and I did a lot of things yesterday and I stayed up kind of late. So like all that together, just I was exhausted, but I feel really good and rested now and I am ready for the day. So I'm just gonna finish getting ready. I'm also listening to the I Don't Get It podcast. If you guys don't listen to this, you totally should. It's with Ashley Iaconetti, her sister, and then their other friend, and literally it's so funny, it's so great, it's like so good. If you like the Bachelor franchise, like you'll like this.
Tomorrow for sure.
Hey guys, good morning. It's Wednesday. So literally yesterday I didn't even vlog at all. I accidentally left my battery in the charger at home, so I had my vlog camera, everything with me, but I didn't have the battery, so that's good. But yesterday honestly wasn't really that exciting. I literally just went to work after I got ready and like checked in with you guys, and then after work I went to the gym and went home and went to bed. So it kind of was a boring day, but sometimes, you know, you forget your camera battery and that's life. But today's a new day, new time to vlog. I just got to work. I opened the store today and I work until like 4, and then after that I'm heading to College Station to go stay with JT and like hang out with him for a few days because I haven't seen him in like 2 weeks. Okay, so now it's time for me to get to work. Okay, this is what I'm wearing like to work so I can wear it after work, and I'm just I can't talk. I just have on my Juicy Couture velvet like sweatshirt. I got it off Urban Outfitters like a year or so ago, and then I'm wearing this cute jacket from Forever 21, and these joggers are from Ross. They're like $10. They're so cute too. And then I just have on my Adidas. Okay guys, so I'm at JT's house. So this is JT. This is my boyfriend. He's not ignoring me right now. Literally after work yesterday, I drove to College Station. It was pitch black outside. But that's it for this week's Week in My Life vlogmas. If you guys like this, give it a big thumbs up. And every single Thursday, I'm going to be uploading a new Week in My Life, so stay tuned for next week's. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new here, you should definitely hit the subscribe button and join the fam. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I think I said that like 4 times, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.